Welcome back to the channel. This is a quick update on the garage progress. As you can see, I'm in the middle of renovating everything. I decided to take 7 feet of the width and dedicate it to an office space. Essentially, the reason I decided to do that was because I really need a space to record that, isn't around lots of noise like the furnace and the kids. And the real reason for sectioning it off is that I can soundproof this area and insulate it, which will make it easier to cool and heat, depending on the weather outside. So yeah, I put up this wall right here. This is a space for a door, and you might be able to tell that I've been sweating. I've been working on putting up the ceiling rafters slash joists, because there'll be storage up there. This garage is 12 foot tall and this little office area is 8 foot tall. So that gives me almost 4 feet up there to store things, which is pretty cool. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I've also been doing some other stuff. I guess I'll take you for a little tour so that you can see what else is going on. Aha! There's the computer behind us. So I'll take you for a quick tour. So there's the kind of computer workstation area. Over here in the middle is the couch and the TV. It's kind of a gaming slash whatever type area. And then over here, although it just looks insane right now, this is where the green screen and the white and the black screens will go, and this will be kind of the recording situation. This is the recording desk. You can see there's a sound mixer. I actually have a Mac Mini set up there, and yeah, that'll be what that's for. I gotta get rid of this. It's just a bunch of all-in-ones that we used for homeschooling during the COVID season. That was pretty crazy. And the only other real progress I made in the garage was this cool charging wall, which definitely helps. And this is where we can stick our e-bike batteries, so that's pretty cool. The rest of the garage is just complete chaos, and it's going to take me some time to figure that out, because there's just so much stuff. I don't know what to get rid of, what to keep, or whatever. So yeah, I'll post another update, and maybe I'll make some videos as I continue to drywall and insulate and add electricity to this area. So stay tuned for that, and yeah, till next time, goodbye. I can't find the record button. There it is. Bye.